fan or not, like or hate, you gotta say Vince Friese is at least bringing some eyes onto the Arenacross stage, and you gotta give it to him. He had probably the best start you could have. Uh, in the let's see here, he was the fastest qualifier. He won his heat race. He won the first ever gas versus electric kicker clash, which is kind of cool. And he also beat the 5-time champion Kyle Peters, going 1-1 for the overall win. You gotta say, this is for him, probably great. I mean, arena cross is very different than supercross. Basic, same idea, track, jump, corners, all that kind of stuff, but a lot tighter. So if you can get out front, it's going to be a lot harder to pass because they're a lot smaller tracks. Corners are going to be more 90 degrees or 180s, whatever. They're going to be tighter tracks, tighter corners, harder to pass. And if you get somebody, like, you got to admit, he is a quick starter. He is somebody who will get out front. And you also got to kind of say, there's a clip I'm gonna try and put in here too, that like he cross jumps, he cuts a corner, he tries to block pass and ends up off the track. I mean, you'll see it on the screen here. And it's one of those things, it's like, yeah, I guess, that's one way of doing it also, but it's one of those things. I like arena cross, I like supercross, I like racing in general, and it can only help them. It's only bringing people's eyes onto the sport. It's only bringing, people watching it and you getting news about it. And where arena cross has always kind of been the little stepchild that kind of forgotten about. But I don't know, you guys tell me, are you watching Arena Cross this year because Vince Friese's doing it? Are you watching Arena Cross at all? Or have you been a fan of it before? Do you want to see Kyle Peters win his 6th? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.